Hey there! Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje and I am here to guide you on your creative journey as I go on my own creative journey as well. Let's do this together, shall we? Here's a question that I get a lot. Koosje, what kind of fountain pen should I buy? And especially, what kind of Fude nib should I have? I don't have the answer. I truly don't. But since so many people ask, today I want to do a little demo and I want to explain a little something about the fountain pen with calligraphy nib. Here we go. Okay, so this is the Sailor de Mannen Fude pen. I don't know if I am pronouncing this well, but this is it. The Fude nib is a calligraphy nib. The nib is at a bent angle. I read somewhere that Fude refers to Ofuda, ink brush, the Japanese name of the brush that is used in Japanese calligraphy. Mannen, or Mannen, I don't know how to pronounce, means fountain pen in Japanese. The nib at a bent angle can give you a very expressive line for drawing. The line thickness depends on the angle at which the nib is aligned with the paper. The more parallel to the paper, the thicker your line, and the steeper the angle, the finer the line. And then you can also use the nib upside down for the thinnest of lines. The pen nib of this green pen has a 55-degree angle. There's also a navy blue version that has a 40-degree angle. You can buy cartridges of ink for this pen, or you can buy a converter, so you can use your own ink, like for example platinum carbon black ink, which is waterproof ink that's suitable for fountain pens. Changing the angle as you are drawing takes a bit of practice. It might feel a little bit tricky at first, but look at all the amazing different marks and line quality you can create with it. I love using this pen, so let's do a drawing. My parents sent me this picture a few weeks ago of me at my easel when I was little. Little did I know that I would still be at it more than 4 decades later. It's hard to explain how the changing of the angle is used as you draw. You need to find out yourself by doing. If you first do a page of mark making, you'll get a feel for the playfulness of the line. It can also be rather unpredictable, and that's part of the fun too. You can use the thick line to your benefit and emphasize on certain areas of your drawing. The thick line is great for quickly filling in darker shapes too. A more delicate line allows for more detail. And with a pen like this, you can do all of that. Holding the pen at a steeper angle allows for thinner hatching lines, or even using the very tip of the nib by holding it upside down for very thin hatching. So no, I am not going to tell you which pen you should buy, if you should buy this pen or not. It's totally up to you. Some people love it, some people hate it. I can't tell you, but hopefully you do understand why I like it so much and why I draw so much with this particular pen in my sketchbook. It just brings me a lot of joy. And speaking of joy, the joy of drawing, I think we all share that here. And that's basically why I have written a book about drawing. Life is better when you draw it. It's not out yet, but if you want me to keep you in the loop about the progress, then I can send you an email whenever I have news. I will share a link below this video and then you can sign up for my email list. Thanks for watching. What are you actually still doing here? Go, draw, have fun. See you next week. Bye.